I've had my Osmo Pocket 3 for over a year now, and it's a super versatile camera and you can really get some amazing shots with it right out of the box. In this video, I want to show you how pairing the Osmo Pocket 3 with something like this motorized dolly can give you a whole new world of creative shots. We're going to go and film a little sequence using the dolly and the Pocket 3, and at the end I'll put it all together with some music so you can see the final effect. The first shot we're going to get is me driving the car into this car park, and we're going to have the dolly set moving forward as I drive and park in front of it. For shot 2, we're going to do a little reveal of me getting out of the car. We're going to have the dolly moving sideways while the Pocket 3 points straight ahead, and I could change the Pocket 3 to single shot focus mode. Just going to leave it on auto mode for a minute to save time because it's very hot out here. One of the cool features of the Pocket 3 is the active track technology that will track your face and move the gimbal around wherever you walk. When you combine that with a motorized dolly, things get really interesting. For this next shot, we're going to have the dolly driving towards the car, and I'm going to walk towards the dolly. But before I do that, I'm going to engage active track on my face, so it's going to stay in focus and move the gimbal wherever I move. Right, active track's enabled now. The good thing about the motorized gimbal that I'm using, I'll put a link to it in the description, is that you can change the direction of the gimbal by adjusting the front and back angle. The next shot I'm going to show you is also using active track. This is where we're going to do a bit of an orbit around me looking around. Good if you want to add some movement, you don't want to fly a drone, or you're not allowed to fly a drone, so next up, we're going to elevate a classic vlogging shot where somebody opens the boot and the camera's inside the car and then puts on a bag or something like that. We're going to elevate it by adding a little bit of dolly movement. Got the dolly set up there. I'm going to use the lowest speed mode. This next one's a bit interesting because we've got the ball head, and the ball head that I'm using has a little notch in it. You can get the Osmo Pocket 3 really low to the ground, which is really going to accentuate the movement close to the lens, create some nice parallax. We've got the lens facing forward, and I'm just going to walk away while the dolly is moving forward. We've got this nice smooth ramp here. I'm going to get a shot of the dolly moving towards me as I come around that corner and then hopefully walk past the Pocket 3 without smashing into it. Got an amazing view that I can't wait to show behind you, and we're probably going to leave that for the hero shot to finish off the sequence that we're working on. Let's get active track going again. We're going to finish off with a shot of me sitting on this bench, and the dolly's just going to be moving on the bench opposite. Hopefully it won't fall off or fall off into the ocean. Okay, we're recording. Going to use speed mode 3 and then go and look like I'm chilling. Final shot, we're just going to have a very slow dolly forward on the slowest speed setting, just to slowly push past the bench and reveal the amazing ocean. Speed setting 1, and this time I am going to use single shot focus mode on the Osmo Pocket 3 to pre-focus on the ocean, so that when the Pocket 3 comes by here, it's not trying to focus on here and go all over the shot. All right, let's check out that final edited sequence with music and sound effects. If you want to check out this motorized dolly, check out the first link in the description. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.